Hello everybody and welcome to Luo English Dictionary channel. In today's edition, we want to talk about introduction, how to introduce yourself and make a conversation.
I'm Tony.
And my name is Agina. Welcome. Tony, today we're going to talk about conversation. How to have a conversation with somebody the first time you meet.
Okay.
So first you greet the person and say, bear.
Bear. We
Bear.
did that in a different video.
Yes, but now we want to do like
Okay.
conversation. So when you say bear, I will respond by saying bear. Can you say that?
Bear.
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 So that's how you respond, okay? That's the greeting. That's the high part. Then you will say your name. You'll say Nyinga and Tony. So can you say that?
Nyinga and Tony.
So that means my name is Tony. So Nyinga and Tony means you said bear. Nyinga and Tony.
Bear. Nyinga and Tony.
Then you will talk about your age. You say Anja Higni Ochiko.
Anja Higni, your age.
So yours is 9, so say 9.
Anja Higni Ochiko.
So start from here. You say the first one is
Bear. Nyinga and Tony. Anja Higni Ochiko.
Then you'll say I live with my father, mother, and sister. So Adak kod minwa wonwa kod nyaminwa.
Okay.
Okay, let's start. Adak kod minwa
Adak kod minwa.
wonwa kod nyaminwa.
Kod nyaminwa.
Adak kod minwa
Adak kod minwa. Wonwa
kod nyaminwa.
nyaminwa.
Can you say that again by yourself now?
Adak kod minwa. Wonwa kod nyaminwa.
Yeah, I know that's a tough one.
Yes.
Adak kod minwa. Let's say it together. Adak kod minwa wonwa kod nyaminwa. Again.
Adak kod minwa. Wonwa kod nyaminwa.
Then if you like riding a bike, you can say Ahero riembo ndiga.
Ahero riembo ndiga.
Ahero riembo ndiga.
Ahero how do you pronounce it again?
Riembo.
Riembo ndiga.
Ahero riembo ndiga.
Ahero riembo ndiga.
Then the last thing is, I would like to know more about you. So you say, de aher ngei matut in bende. De aher ngei matut in bende. Okay? So I want you to start from here, go all the way to here. Start.
Bear. Nyinga and Tony.
And so let's go through it all together. I'll read and you read after me, okay? Bear.
Bear.
Nyinga and Tony.
Nyinga and Tony.
Anja higni ochiko.
Anja higni ochiko.
Adak kod minwa wonwa kod nyaminwa.
Adak kod minwa. Wonwa kod nyaminwa.
Ahero riembo ndiga.
Ahero riembo ndiga.
De aher ngei
De aher ngei
matut in bende.
Matut in bende.
Start from here now.
Bear. Nyinga and Tony. Anja higni ochiko. Adak kod minwa. Wonwa kod nyaminwa. ahero riembo ndiga. De aher ng'eyi matut in bende.
Let's start again. Start again.
Ber, nyinga en Tony.
Correct.
Anja hingni ochiko. Adak kod minwa wongwa kod nyangwenwa. Ahero riembo ndiga. De aher ng'eyi matut in bende.
Good. So that's how you introduce yourself. You can say your name, your age, and what you like to do, and then you tell someone, I would like to also know more about you. So if you want to know how to get your age, you can always go into our playlist and look for the numbers video where we talked about the numbers and how to identify the numbers. Finish up.
Remember to subscribe and like our videos. Oriti, goodbye.
Bye-bye.